Welcome to TrainSpotEast, and today we're in Norwich. Just apart day 158 to 156 416 or 18, sorry. 82152. Is 82152 and 90004, City of Chelmsford. Servicing services by Great Triangular, no DRS unfortunately, and it's with trains. Let's see Tosh will turn up here at Norwich. Enjoy. Okay, next train to arrive on platform 4 is a 156 from 156 416. Platform 4, 156 416. Forgot to mention, we're joined by my brother, Reedo Railways. We've got Norfolk TrainSpot 04 here as well, TrainSpotEast, and the Class 6 lad. So, right, next train to depart off platform number 3 here at Norwich is 158864, I think. Yeah, 864. Right, now getting to out of platform 4 now. 156 416 16. to last stop.
Okay, someone just gave a tone and I am not happy.
Okay, now departing off platform number 1 is 90010. .10 82 132 to London Liverpool Street. Okay, now platform number 3, 158 812.
Congratulations.
Okay, next trying to turn up is going to be DVT. Yeah, right, 82 102.
Yes, it's 82 102. That's why I'm absolutely in love with it already.
82 102. Guess the 90, what do you reckon?
No. I've got 15 to choose from.
So 14. I'm saying veteran. That's going to stop too short, isn't it? 82 102 with 90. 13! 90 13! 156, platform 5, headlights. Outbound 90 as well. And also getting ready to part out of platform 2 here at Norwich is 90.004. There you go. Right, 004, City Chelmsford. This will be 82 152, isn't it? I remember. $90.004 with 82 152. I was right. Okay, the next train to turn up here at Norwich is 170 204. These should still be in the workshops. New end on this end. Other end is new. Very true. Alright, now arriving 156422. They'd never work. You got 6. This one's working. Now departing off platform 5.
Putting off platform 5 now is
come on, camera, come to focus.
Going to
409 again.
11:36 service to Great Yard.
156 409.
409. It's raining, I need to go get a coat.
Right. Yep.
Welcome to Norwich.
417. Oh yeah.
Approaching now, 156 417.
And again, very, 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 very rapid.
And it is now starting to chuck down with rain. Ride the bit in line.
Right, 2 billion horns and you'll be under.
172.04 now departing off platform 4, 3.
Is he going yet?
Yeah, but
Yes, he's underway.
Yeah, he's rolling.
He's moving.
He's
on top. Going. Now he's going.
Gives a good time.
Good luck. This is GA.
That's what you said about the 17 tone we got.
Whose idea was this?
Not ours.
E3. Get into the hole. Go in the hole. Had issues with it going in the hole.
Can you please stop?
Got away.
One 172.4 to Cambridge. Next train to turn up, 153.306 with a service from Lowestoft, I think. Yeah, Lowestoft. 153.306.
When are you next doing it?
Right, now departing off platform 6 here is 156.422, I think. Yeah, 156.422 to Sheringham. Yeah. Okay, next train on platform 2 is... I'm not quite sure what this is actually.
Someone should do a low angle shot.
$82,143. It's not just on 98. And 90.008. 008! The East Anglian. Okay, and the final train here for me today at Norwich is 153.314. That's going on top. I shall have to go and leave it there, guys, because my time limit's run out. So, thanks. See you in Stowmarket.